Right, of DIYs. How are you going? I've got my fall done. Right, so all I'm doing now is just getting it right in between my fall lines. So you grab yourself the right size level or a bit of a straight edge, bit of timber, doesn't matter. And all the time you're watching that end and this end, you don't dig in and you just pull it back. Following that line that you've already made. Always making sure that you've got that hole covered up. A little bit of mud just to fill in your holes or your low spots, and there you have it. So you can come around with my wooden float. This is a shorter distance, so it's a little bit steeper. This is a nice size shower. It's 1200 by 1.40 m, so it's a nice size. Like I said in other videos, you always make sure you go with your wooden float to the wall, not out here, because don't forget that is level. You've got to take that levelness away and give it slope. Get some of that excess away. I'll be able to tidy it up in a minute. Once I've screeded this, I'll lay out my tiles on the floor in the lounge, because no one's living in this house at the moment. I can lay out my shower floor, see what it's going to look like. Fill that hole in. Right, I'm putting in a which way shall I put my waste? Square. Right, so you dig out your mud, and you're laughing. Right, I will lay out my tiles on the floor now in the lounge just there and see how I go. Have I got a shape around anywhere? Yeah, up there. Yeah, well that's cool. I'm gonna run them this way. Oh, does it matter? It's better. What is the best way? I'll think about that. I'll think about that, people. I'll think about it whether I lay my tiles that way or as you walk in the door they're going away from you. I'll give it some thought. Doesn't really matter, but I'll have a look. Okay, I'll see you soon. Subscribe, support my channel, everyone. Let's go for it. My friends, what I will stipulate though is I've screeded that and I'm gonna muck around with my tiles now before I screed this floor. A big thing is wash your levels off, because like today's not too bad and your mud lasts longer, but you must always keep your levels super clean. Even though I'm going to be using them again in a couple of hours, the mud will dry and then you get shitty dirty levels. Try and keep your gear clean as you can. I use these levels for everything, so you keep them clean. Doesn't matter about your wooden float as much, but your levels, because there's nothing worse than a dirty level and you can't see the bubble properly. I'm no clean freak, but when it comes to levels you must have them clean. So I'll use them in a couple of hours time, but they're clean. This I'll just leave in the water there. That I'll be using anyway, but I'll give it a clean. Your levels are the most important. Here we go. It doesn't matter if I splash water on this floor, because I'll show you how what you do is you wet your floor like that when I go to screed this, and you sprinkle out either cement or glue dry, and you sprinkle it everywhere. That glues your mud to the existing. Okay, I'll see you soon.